Hi, I'm Nathan Ray. This is Jamchester 2016, and behind me I've got team Darkfield Games. Let's meet them and see what they're doing. Do you want to just introduce yourself?
I'm Katie. I'm currently working on the audio for Darkfield Games.
Yeah.
I'm James. I'm working on virtual reality part of the game.
Oh, it's a VR game.
Yeah. Using the HTC Vive. So using in a tracked space, you're just working on getting it to working friends can hold and throw various objects.
Is that what these things are behind us?
Yeah, lighthouses. They basically track the player basically by sending it infrared signals, and that's picked up on the Vive sensors. And
So there's like 4 LEDs in there or something, is it?
They basically spin. There's like I think it's 2 mirrors and a laser pointer, so it just radiates a laser in all directions, basically.
And then times when it sees that laser from.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this thing is the Vive.
So that's my Lemsip there in the.
Yeah. So these little there's the RIS sensors, so it can track its face.
So all the way around.
And then here's the mask and so on, and also you have the controllers, which are similarly tracked. I think it's using 2.4 gigahertz connection. So these are then also tracked
So it's low latency kind of picking up things. Yeah. Oh, we're not doing okay now. No, that's it.
No.
Just press the button. I didn't want to do anything.
You're breaking it.
So what's the idea behind the game then? What are you actually doing?
Basically, following the theme of you've already won, your character is post having just won a game show. So the entire thing is set in a game show. Very cheesy, kind of like typical sort of what you would envisage as a cheesy game show. And it's like, congratulations, player, you've won, blah blah blah. But you end up with a really crap prize, and so you're obviously understandably unhappy, and we're going to create an environment that's fully destructible, so you can in fact smash up this terrible prize that you've been given.
And that's what you've been working on with this Vive system.
Yeah. So you can pick up the object and destroy the stuff with them.
So who's making these objects?
Well, that is mainly Rachel kind of doing the artwork and the design, who's unfortunately not here at the moment. And then
what are you working on over
doing
here?
The programming.
Are you doing the programming?
Yeah, I've been working on the physics, getting all of the destructible objects tied together, and assigning point values and a cost value to each of the breakages, so that when you break something, it ticks up, how much damage you've caused.
Oh, right, okay,
and you get a multiplier for if you get like a ricochet object that breaks something else, and so you get even more points that way.
So with the objects, then, when an object gets broken, does it get swapped out for another object, or how do you go from a whole object to a broken object? Or do you just split it in half?
I mean, in this case, I can actually show you here.
Yeah, sure.
So we've got a camera.
There's
a camera here, and I've set up this scene so that there's just a cube next to it that's got some weight to it. And when I hit play, the camera should stay up. And then if I let the cube go, it breaks the camera and it just falls into bits.
Into bits, so that's great. Yeah.
So
could you make these a bit more bouncy so they bounce off to the side, or is it?
I could do. I'm not sure that would lend itself to the seriousness of our game.
Of course, it's a serious game.
Yes, it's very serious.
The physics has to look real. Yeah.
Yes.
No, that's great. That did look like it kind of fell apart. That's
great. And so Rachel's been building them in pieces.
Yeah.
So and then just
that's what I meant. That's what I mean. You build them in pieces and then put them together. Yeah, that's great. And how many different assets are going to be in the scene then when the scene's?
We've got a list somewhere. There's the cameras, there are chairs where the audience are. We played around with the idea of having cardboard cutouts of people sitting in the audience and like the presenter of the show, and you could break the people too. Whatever the prizes are, those will be there. Those will be destructible.
What's the one that he was having, a stuffed teddy or whatever? What was that game show when they're? I don't know.
No idea.
No, there's a game show when they had to remember the prize as they go along. There's always a stuffed teddy or something.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, to be honest.
No, I can't remember what it was.
Yeah.
What's that? Generation game. Yeah. What was in the Generation game that they had every week? The object.
It's always a cuddly toy.
Cuddly toy. That's one. Cuddly toy. Yeah.
Showed out, but yeah.
I couldn't remember what it was.
Oh, no, you know.
Cuddly Toad. There you go.
Cuddly toy.
Cuddly Toad. So what's been the biggest challenge so far? Then what's been the hardest thing that you've had to deal with?
Technical issues? Probably. James had his desktop set up to run the Vive, and we had a lot of problems with that not actually switching on.
Yeah.
Sounds like he's got a problem with the processor. Did you narrow it down?
Yeah,
Or was it-
unfortunately. So yeah, we've tried version for getting us to get it work.
Oh, you don't actually have the desktop running at the moment now?
No, unfortunately not. But with the people next door who are also running a Vive, very kindly help us for testing and stuff.
Yeah.
We can make some progress. I've just gone there and I've brought back a couple of tips, how to proceed and so on.
Yeah.
You can go there and hopefully you can test our game on there. It's just unfortunately it's a huge problem, but we're trying to move forward.
And I've heard with the Vive and the Oculus Rift and stuff, you need quite a high-powered PC.
Yeah, exactly.
To
So
do.
we've been trying a couple, but unfortunately, without that processing power. It's
Yeah.
just, yeah.
That's good. And how's the sound files coming up?
Yeah, alright. So yeah, we just recorded some VO, which included the narrator's congratulations to the player and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just sort of messing about trying to work out how to integrate something called Fmod with Unity, which will handle sort of various management of parameters and getting things to sort
Is
of...
that some kind of middleware?
Yeah, it's middleware software, yeah, so basically I'm just messing around with that and working out how the parameters work and getting things to sort of...
And are you going to try and put the sound in the 3D environment as well? So it sounds...
We can give it a try. Yeah, I mean it's kind of my background's mainly composition, so kind of the whole integration side of it. That's why I love doing the game jams, because it stretches me as well.
Yeah.
Sort of with my learning. So yeah, I mean that's it's a big learning curve, that's for sure. So
Alright, okay, so what was it? Dark
Dark Field Games.
Games. Thank you very much for chatting with
Thank
me.
you.
Cheers, thank you.